Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today is day 16 of 90 days challenge. And in this video, we talk about something where Rajni Verma suggests me some words and I explain and I make sentence on these topics. So let's start.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajni, as you know already. So today is day 16 of 90-day challenge, his challenge. And today we have come with some of the topics. This is my box that I usually do with my students while having classes. I just pick certain topics and ask them, or I have done this practice like opening this box and asking certain questions by showing my audience means like people who connect to me for conversations. So I just pick a phrase for 1 to 2 minutes, and everybody enjoys certain kind of practices and certain kind of things. So today I thought to let take his test also, if he can speak for 1 to 2 minutes on any
And YouTube is a great platform. And recently, I have started my YouTube journey. So I uploaded my YouTube videos on YouTube platform, and that is very helpful for each and every person. And it's a good platform. Yes, we definitely use YouTube every day. Every person connected each and every day. Every person connect to YouTube and watch video and learn something new and like entertainment, like education, like sports, everything. That is YouTube.
Okay, yeah. So this is something that it is very close to me too, because YouTube has helped me grow in my career and improve myself. Like my communication skill is improved because of YouTube, because it helped me to maintain consistency. Okay, let's move forward and pick something else this time. Oh my God, I said this time and I got time. And let's see, you have to speak on time. You can describe like how you usually spend your time and what time of the day you like the most, or how you spend your free time. These things you can highlight.
Time. Time is time important. Time is important role in each and
Plays an
every
important
plays
role.
in plays important role each and every person life. And time is more important for everyone. And time is a limit, because you lose your time, then you do not reuse time. And so that's
If
why
you waste your time,
if you
you
waste your
cannot.
time, if you waste your time, so that then you cannot reuse this time. And so time is more important. And daily basis I focus on like education, like English improvement, so I invest time. So time is most important, and time is precious for our life, like water, like everything. So time is most important. And so guys, we lose money and we talk anything, we lose anything in our life. But if we lose our time, so then we will not use this time. So you understand, time is very precious and very important in our life. So that is time.
Absolutely. Time is something that we should always use wisely because it is something that it is once gone, we cannot take or have it back, right? As you mentioned that we can earn money if we don't have or if we lose somewhere, but we cannot have the same time again. So you should be really very, very mindful about your time and use it wisely for learning purpose and for growing purpose. Okay, moving forward, let's see what comes. Friends.
Friends, 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 very close. Every person, friends is very close. Each and every person, because I share something with friends, and we enjoy with friends. We entertainment with friends, and when we demotivate and when we like very uh, bore, so then we meet our friends and we happy, and we learn with friends, and friends help a lot in business and in other education, and because every person's looks every person, because every मतलब हर एक किसान के हर मतलब every person मतलब के friends होते हैं,
Every person has few unique friends
few
or
unique friends,
close people.
close people, and your ability, your personality wise your friends. So friend circle is most important, and so very precious in life, friends.
We should be really wise in this case too because we, as it is said, that we are average of five people we spend our time with the most, right? So the kind of personality you are is mostly affected or is influenced because of the friend circle you have. So you should be very, very wise about it too, to spend time mostly with people who add value in life or who are always there for you in hard times and who always show you the true side of yours, not always sugarcoating everything. Okay, you're doing good and all. A friend who tells you that okay, what is needed to improve or where are you making mistakes and any decision in life you take that is not appropriate for you. There also the person can guide and there is something that you cannot discuss with anyone. You can freely talk to the person, the friend who is trustworthy and who always helps you through thick and thin. So, yeah, there also we have to be very much mindful. And in every person's life, there is, I feel that only one or maybe there are two people who are very close. Not more than that. I don't think so that more than that we have very real, true friends. Okay, moving forward. Hmm. It's music. It's music. You can talk about your favorite one, the singers you can talk about, and at what time mostly you listen to music that you can talk about.
Music, music, like dopamine for good dopamine for body, and when we stress and when we bore, and that time we listen music, and mostly we listen music or uh, our favorite our favorite singer. So my not not my each and not my one not my favorite singer, any not.
There isn't any favorite singer of mine.
Yes, I listen multiple types of singers like Rajasthani, like Punjabi, and currently in these days I listen some music like English related. So my not focus on particular one person. I uh, listen every singers because they entertain me and I listen. So that is, yes.
And at what time mostly you listen to music?
Music. When I was exhausted.
Okay.
Over
You feel tired, exhausted?
no, when I was over study, when I was over exhausted for mind use, then then my mind wants to freshness. So then I move to music and I listen some music. So then after singing, after listening music, I come back on my work and do my work.
And don't you listen music while editing videos and making thumbnails? That time I've
Yes,
seen
that
you
time
listening to music.
because thumbnail time, because not use our mind, because my mind picture clear. Yes, you do something मेरे को भी यही करना होता है, So that then I listen music background, and so yes, this
So
time
that's what I have already observed in him while editing videos or while making thumbnails. He mostly listened to music. This is the time I have observed him. Rest, I don't think so that he listened to music that much because he has to
and
listen to conversations a lot. Yeah.
in these days I making thumbnail, and then with I listen English conversation videos, English
Okay.
podcast. So in these days music थोड़ा reduce कर चुका हूँ, and English conversation I like that.
So it means he has changed this switch to now, because that is what I want to highlight here, that you also have to surround yourself yourself surround yourself with English a lot, because he used to listen to music while editing or while making thumbnails, but now, as he mentioned, that he now while making thumbnails he listen to English conversations. It means he don't even waste any minute when he can listen to English, when he can just give input to his brain. So that's a great thing. I feel that he started listening to it, and that would help you doing whatever you do throughout the day. Just keep yourself surrounded by English a lot. So do you want more topics, or we can do later more topics and I can highlight your mistakes you made?
Yes, you can highlight.
Okay, so
mistake, yes.
rest we'll do in the next video, in the next sessions, because there are 90 days we have to cover, and he has to speak. So now we don't want to make you feel bored of this video, so we'll not make it a very long one. So let's keep it short, and I'm going to highlight a few mistakes that I thought should be mentioning here. Okay, one is that do not say peoples, it's just people.
People.
Okay, yeah. Okay. And another is whenever you use something like this plays important role in your life. So it sounds correct. This plays important role in your life. There should be an article. This plays an important role in your life. An important role in your life. And it is for you also, guys, that articles and prepositions are something that we don't listen to while listening to people. We don't pay attention, right? So when you read, for you also, when you read, keep a pencil with yourself, and while reading articles and prepositions, you can highlight again and again, underline again and again. If you do it continuously for a long period of time, your subconscious mind will pick it naturally. So this is for you too also, guys. If you're struggling with articles and preposition, highlight them. Only just highlight while reading, and you would be able to master them effortlessly. No extra practice is needed for articles or prepositions, like going through patterns and knowing that where to use to, where to use for, from, nothing. Just highlight, underline while reading. You would be able to remember. Now, the next one is friends is very close, every person. That's what you said. So when you are talking about anything plural now, like friends, so you have to use friends are important, or not is. So these are the minor mistakes. I know it would take time, but just to remind you, so your mind can gradually pick that, okay, here is something that I make mistake in. Okay. Another is when we stress. You said when we stress we listen to music. So it should be when we are stressed. When we are stressed. For example, when we are happy, we eat or we go out. We are happy, we are sad, we are this, right? Similarly, we are stressed, not we are stressed.
When we are feel stress.
When we feel stressed, you can say. Stress. Okay. Or if you're not using feel, then you can simply say when we are stressed, we prefer listening to music.
Okay.
Okay, and preference is a word that you can use. Preference you can use, perspective you can use, interest, or something that somebody likes. This is how you can talk about it. Yeah, so these are few mistakes I highlighted here, and I'll keep telling you like this in upcoming videos too. So it was day 16, and I want you to speak on these 4 topics we have covered. You can also speak and practice with us. Now, what to you?
Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.